Namaste Ji. We just came back from a Chadar trek yesterday, so we have one more day here at Leh because our flight is tomorrow morning. So we thought we'll explore places in and around Leh. So the first stop is going to be Khardungla, और उसके बाद whatever time is left we'll try and cover Shanti Stupa, Leh Palace अगर open हो तो देखेंगे what all places we're going to cover today. So we are going to be going to Khardungla in this van because it's January and it's not advisable to go in bike because it's snowing and they're not going to allow bikes after a certain point. So we don't want to take that risk. Actually, the plan was to go in bike, but January heavy snowfall hai, so I don't think it's possible and it's not safe also. So we are going in this van to Khardungla and that's going to be our first stop. So chalo. We just reached Khardungla and it's extremely cold and it started snowing as well. Not a lot of crowd here obviously because it's January and not too many people are crazy to come to Khardungla in January because it's brain freezing. So and it's also started snowing as we reached. So we'll quickly take some pictures because we can't stay here for a long time. So yeah, just look around this. Everywhere only snow. दिखने में जितना beautiful है ना, it is equally difficult to stand here in this position, and it's even more difficult to talk because my mouth is freezing. जल्दी जल्दी pictures लो और भागो. For more than 5 minutes, I swear. So I'm trying my best to talk because it's so beautiful, but very tough to stay here, and it's snowing plus windy. So guys, we just came back from Khardungla. The roads there were a little slippery. Our car's tire skid a couple of times and we really got scared. But the driver managed it. And when we got down, we were really freezing. So we had a nice cup of butter tea. Now we are all fine. And the next stop is Leh Palace. So let's go inside and explore. Chalo. I didn't know that Leh Palace is open during winters. So this is a surprise. We are lucky to be here because we came to Leh 2 years back and we didn't get a chance to come here, which is such a shame. This is a really nice, rugged, so earthy kind of a structure. I've never seen a palace like this, so I'm really looking forward to see what's inside. So guys, we are done with the Leh Palace and now we have come to Shanti Stupa, which was about 15 minutes drive from the palace, and here is the first glance of it. Shanti Stupa is the last stop for the day, guys. It's getting dark, and because it's winter, everything gets shut down by 7 PM. So we can't explore more, but I think we've done enough for today. Now we didn't have lunch, so we're gonna have lunch now. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also watch my Chadar Trek series. I'll provide the link in the description box. Take care. Bye bye. Peace.
You